you along with me. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Gonna go on the bridge and then I'm just gonna make my way onto the River Thames, you know, to have a look. Hi guys, today I am on the London Bridge and I'm just gonna take a little stroll around. Just come with me and enjoy yourself. This is nice. London Bridge and I'm just taking the scenery and take you along with me. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video. I'm gonna do lots of video today because today I have time. Girl, I have time on her hand. So I'm just gonna stroll around and taking the scenery. If you like this video, please leave a comment. And don't forget guys to subscribe, share with your friends and family, why not? Let them have the same experience as yours. So here we go. Let's go guys. Time to do a walk tour. I'm gonna walk around the area today. I'm gonna zoom up. There you go, that's London Bridge guys. Great shot. Beautiful scenery, but I don't have anyone to take my pictures because I'm by myself. I'm by myself. This is beautiful. See where she going? She loves flowers. I'm gonna walk here. As I said, walk with me. Talk with me. And enjoy the view with me. It's not nice when you don't have another person with you, you know, to at least record you in it. So for now, guys, just bear with me. Hi guys, welcome to Alicia YouTube channel. I've got time today, so I'm just gonna walk and record from London Bridge to Tower Bridge, taking a walk on the River Thames. Long time them things are there, you know, before me and you born. First, me I come down here, you know. At night, the tides go up. It's my first time coming down here, so I'm gonna make my way back. Let me go back up. At night you can't do this because the tide comes up at night and you're not allowed to go down there. Today me have time, people. Hi guys, how you doing? Today I have time, so as I walk I will be talking to you, and on top of that give you a view. And with that, we can run as me run me tired. So again, I just make a little quick stop to take off my jacket, so time to go again. Girl tired, you know. Girl tired. But what can I do? I'm by myself. What can I do? I'm by myself. So what is snow? You see that? I want to go on here, so go fast, but now. Tower of London. And just walk around the Tower of London. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click like, share this video, leave a comment, and don't forget guys to subscribe. So they're working. Some form of event's gonna come up soon. That's why they're doing this. Watching this video, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe guys.